What's up guys, it's Isaac here back with a new video. The Lego room, we haven't made any progress on it. Honestly, sorting is boring by yourself. So I need my cousin Ben here, and he just got here. This is Ben from Wild Studios. We have made some amazing videos together. Our favorite has been spending 12 hours out in the middle of a lake, surviving there without coming back to shore. And so if you wanna watch that video, go check that out. Link in the description, you'll be able to watch that, but make sure you watch this video first because Ben is gonna check out the Lego room, and he has never seen it in real life since basically day one, back when it was just a storage room. But make sure you subscribe to Wild Studios, link in the description. So I want to see his reaction to this. Ben, are you excited?
Yeah. All right, let's go. All right, 3, 2, 1. This is awesome. This is so cool. Whiteboard wall with the floor, bathroom, a new shower, and the display case. I've been waiting to see this because this is really cool. This is so cool. This is so cool.
Bathroom work okay for you?
Yeah.
Good.
Go subscribe.
For this Lego room update, we're gonna get more sorting done because like I said, sorting is boring by yourself. So Ben's here to help me. While Ben is here, we're also going to film some new videos for Wild Studios. We're gonna get some music videos done, and that's gonna be so much fun. If you're interested in all of that fun stuff, go subscribe to Wild Studios. You will not regret it. All right guys, so Ben and I are gonna sort for about an hour. Hopefully we get at least something done. Hey guys, it's been a week since the last clip you just saw, and I haven't done anything besides order some more drawers. We've got 4 more, and what's special about these is they actually are half small drawers and half large drawers. So I'm gonna pop some of these open. We'll see how much sorting I get done. I still have all of these boxes and those over there to sort out into drawers. Also, build sneak peek. This one is unfinished, but looking pretty sweet. Today guys, I'm probably gonna finish up the sorting. As you can see, we have drawers galore everywhere. I really need to get some more tables to stack all of these on. But those are all full, and I think that will be just enough because these boxes are all empty, so they've been sorted out. But I'm sorry that it's taken me so long to get more videos out to you guys. I have a job now, like a real one, not just YouTube, and that makes...
Why?
Yeah, Isaac here. This is Isaac also. He also has a job.
I have a job. I'm also the owner of Iceman Productions, currently writing my new pilot, out soon, so stay tuned.
Link in the description for Isaac Hopkins' channel. But yeah, that's why it's been hard to edit, it's been hard to build new stuff, but I'm still gonna be getting videos out to you guys as soon as I can. So sorry about that, and let's get back to sorting. Alright everyone, that's the end of the sorting. As you can see, I got all the Lego into the drawers, and I managed to get all the drawers onto the tables. It still leaves me with plenty of table space to build, but I have everything within arm's reach so I can grab whatever I need. And having them in specific places helps me so much so that I can grab whatever I need because I know where it is. The stuff underneath here is minifigures, partial builds, or large pieces that won't fit inside drawers. But basically everything else has been sorted out. We still haven't gotten tables from IKEA. We still haven't gotten stuff like the couch, my chair, or the shelves. We still need to get shelves from IKEA so I can display some stuff because this is not going to fit all of my builds. So as far as that goes, the Lego room's not finished, but it is a workable space that will last me for a while. Now that I have all my Lego and I know where it is, and I don't have to waste time sorting anymore. I should be able to get some builds out to you guys for you to see, which means more videos coming soon. Hopefully I'll be able to finish some stuff because I've had a hard time finishing builds. I've had so many unfinished ones. Subscribe to Wild Studios and to Iceman Productions. Those guys are my bros and I want to see them succeed as well. Also, consider subscribing to Icarus Bricks. It would help my channel out, and if you turn on notifications, you'll be able to see all of those new builds coming out soon, which are going to be amazing. So, you know what to do. Scroll down, hit that subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.